Experiencing problems with your Frontier TV box? As of 2025, Frontier has significantly upgraded their infrastructure, transitioning most customers to fiber optic-based services with newer set-top boxes. However, issues can still occur. This is a typical Frontier TV box that customers use today. When problems arise, they generally fall into three main categories that we can systematically diagnose. Common issues fall into three main categories. Power problems occur when your box won't turn on, experiences overheating, or keeps cycling on and off. Signal issues manifest as no signal errors, pixelated pictures, or missing channels. Remote control malfunctions include unresponsive buttons, pairing failures, and battery-related problems. Let's examine each category in detail. Power-related problems account for about 20% of all issues. The most common cause is faulty power adapters, responsible for 40% of power failures. Signal issues are the most common problems, affecting 45% of customers. These often stem from fiber connection problems, coaxial cable degradation, or network congestion during peak hours. Remote control problems account for 25% of issues. The detailed remote control layout shows the complexity of modern remotes, where battery failures, pairing problems, and interference can disrupt functionality. Frontier's infrastructure improvements have been significant. The company has achieved 99.2% network uptime and reduced average resolution time to just 2.3 hours. Their fiber network expansion supports advanced features and improved reliability. Understanding these common issues and their root causes is the first step to getting your TV back up and running. Systematic diagnosis following proper troubleshooting procedures can resolve most problems efficiently. When your Frontier TV box won't turn on or keeps cycling power, follow these systematic troubleshooting steps to identify and resolve the issue. Step 1. Check your power adapter connection. Verify the connection is secure at both the wall outlet and the TV box. Test the outlet with another device to confirm it's working properly. Step 2. If the basic check doesn't work, try an alternate power adapter if available. Check for overheating by feeling if the box is warm to touch, and ensure adequate ventilation with at least 6 inches of clearance around the device. Step 3. Check the LED status indicators on your TV box. A solid green light means normal operation, a blinking red light indicates a system error or overheating, and no light at all suggests power supply failure. For signal issues with Frontier's fiber optic TV service, start by checking your ONT or optical network terminal. This device converts the fiber signal for your home network. Next, inspect your fiber cable connections for any damage. Fiber cables are delicate and can be damaged by sharp bends or physical stress. Also check that Ethernet cables are securely connected. For coaxial cable systems, the troubleshooting approach is different. Start by inspecting all coaxial connections to ensure they're tight and secure. You can monitor signal strength through your TV box's diagnostic menu. Good signal strength should be above 70% for optimal performance. Remote control issues are among the most common problems. Start with the basics. Replace the batteries with fresh alkaline batteries and clean the battery contacts. If basic troubleshooting doesn't work, try repairing the remote using the manufacturer's instructions. You can also reset the remote to factory defaults or check for interference from other devices. Frontier's 2025 TV boxes now feature integrated streaming services including Netflix, Amazon Prime, and Disney Plus built right into the interface, reducing the need for separate streaming devices. For additional support, check Frontier's service status page for any reported outages in your area. Their AI-powered chat support is available 24/7 and can resolve many issues instantly. Remember, systematic troubleshooting resolves most TV box issues. Start with the basics, work through each step methodically, and don't hesitate to use Frontier's support resources when needed.